In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this fairy dust animation. Let's create an ecosphere. S to scale. G and Z to move on the Z-axis. Let's create another one and scale it. The first sphere, let's add a particle. Please match my settings. We need to choose the second sphere as the particle object. Let's increase the particle count and its lifetime. Let's scale it up as well. Let's decrease the first sphere size. Time to add a material to the second sphere. We'll be using the Eevee engine with the bloom setting turned on. Basically, we'll be randomizing the emission color like this. Let's add some more colors and change the color ramp type to constant. There's is our fairy dust. Let's add a curve spiral. If you don't see that, please activate an add-on called Extra Objects. Let's add the follow path constraint on the first sphere. Ctrl A to reset all transforms. That didn't do anything. Let's type G to manually move it down like this. This is the end of the tutorial. Please like and subscribe if you have enjoyed watching this tutorial. Thank you for watching.